Okay. Cool.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by! Nice. Shooter, unload.
Shooter, go ahead and make ready. Let's switch this. You going left to right?
Yeah.
Go right to left. Make it complicated. All right, just like, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. If you're finished shooting an empty chamber, drop the slide hammer holster. Range is clear.
Going hot. Shooter, you are clear to load and make ready. Are you going left or right?
Is my light on? Yeah. What about right to left?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, you know,
You're a
some
fucking
Asian cuisine.
nerd.
Hey, dude, I'm all over the place with this one.
It's a new gun.
All right, yeah.
Always.
Wait.
Sure, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by.
Damn it. Oh my god, I'll take it. That's fine.
Shooter, unload in front of the computer. If there's a break in anything, I just grab it and
I'm gonna try it.
there, bar. It's fucking awesome. We're not paid
All right, Joey's
yet. No, we'll never get paid. All right, Ray's going hot. Ray's going hot. Shooter, you are clear to load and make ready. Grab his dick and twist it.
Yeah.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Over. Shooter, unload. Show me an empty chamber. Hammer down. Holster. Rep. Huh?
I'll do it. Oh, yeah, we have two. I didn't know we had two.
Yeah, we have two. It's crazy, right?
I didn't know we had like this kind of resources.
Shooter, go ahead and make ready. So can you put that in double action? Give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. If you're finished, show me show me a jam. Slide, holster. Range is clear.
Where'd it go? You are clear to load and make ready. Here comes the question. Yes, it's on. You guys.
My camera on?
Is my hat blinking? Fuck you. All right. Sure, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Over.
Switch these. Shooter, go ahead and make ready. Give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Empty chamber, slide, hammer, holster. Range is clear.
Ooh, I fucked up a lot on that. Stand by. Sure, unload. Show me an empty chamber. Hammer down. Holster. Reg clear. That was a great run.
Yeah, that was cool.
Shooter, clear, load, make ready. My head feels like it's being crushed. Okay. Sure, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by.
God damn it.
So just send it.
Look at him.
He's stage prepping all right. Brown man. There's gray man, and there's brown man.
What is the brown one?
He's wearing all brown. Don't look into it.
Oh, okay.
Just to hide the shit stains.
We're gonna get banned.
Yeah, we are. Everybody back here. Everybody that needs to be back here, back here.
I'm the one crossing the line. Please do not cross the border of the stage.
Range going on! Range going on!
Joey, can you make ready?
I think we might have one of those.
Take advantage of the bottom.
Sorry.
When you're ready. If you are finished, empty chamber, that chamber's empty, slide, hammer, holster, range is clear. 30.
Woo!
I think I missed one if he beats me. Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know if he beats me.
He's gonna beat you off.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you're gonna-
You, and then Chris is going to beat us all.
Stop.
Who's left?
TJ. And
Time to go get
is
Jumbo.
that most of your cases? Jambalaya?
I can't get Jumbo. Oh, yeah?
You want some,
I can't even do Jumbo right now.
what kind of Cajun?
Cajun. Cajun rice.
Yeah, but you said jambalaya. It's Cajun food. I'm thinking like
What's the
Louisiana.
safe table?
Like,
I can't even tell anymore.
Cajun.
Oh, okay.
Range going on. Range going on.
I'm just gonna be safety conscious right here.
There's one all the way out there.
I know, but then you're like next to where people are shooting.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna throw around in your gun.
Yeah.
Ready? Stand by.
Oh, this is hard.
If you're finished, that's empty. Drop the slide, hammer, holster, range is clear.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by! Shooter, unload. Show me an empty chamber. Hammer down, holster. Range clear!
What happened?
Yeah, it's on. That's us.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by! Shooter, unload. Show me an empty chamber. Hammer down, holster. Range clear!
I want my man to do well. Can you go ahead and make ready?
Oh shit, what the fuck? Well, I didn't reload that one.
One more range.
Kilth in the streets, if I say so myself.
I had something in it.
All right. If you are ready, give me a nod. Stand by. Oh God, he ran in. Oh fuck. If you're finished, yep, slide, hammer, holster. Yep, just stop doing that, please. Range is clear. 35-28.
Yeah. She's gonna ask me if I found everything I needed, and I will say yes. That woman is straight from heaven to this earth. A little liquor store down here. I don't know.
Range going
10
on.
years ago,
range
she was
going on.
probably
Go
something.
ahead and make ready.
Little nice.
Get in my head.
Yeah, she's super nice. So I'm always like, we always stop there on the way
Making
down.
me think
You want
about
me to get in your head?
making me think about
everything you're looking
gun zones or whatever. Yeah.
Give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. If you're finished. Wow. Hit it again. Hit it again. Let's see it. There you go. All right. Slide hammer holster. Range is clear.
I know, it's
All right. Range going hot. Range going hot. Shooter, go ahead and make ready.
Chris, and then me. I'm gonna head inside after this.
Give me a nod when you're ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Oh no! Over. God damn it. TJ. God damn it. Range is clear.
that
What
just
the fuck is wrong with you?
yanked it.
Oh my camera first. Hold on. And then tuck this in because I'm fat.
Sure,
All right.
give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by! Over. Shooter, unload, show me chamber, hammer down, holster. Range clear! Hello. It's not raining today. We've been gone because of weather. And now it's hot. Alright. Range going hot! Range going hot! Shooter, you are clear to load and make ready. Watch him slam it into this extra 0.6 inches. It's pretty neat. I think it's cool.
That's cool.
Alright. Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by!
What a piece of shit.
Over.
Nice.